Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today. I don't know about you, but it looks like SHIB is on a discount. SHIB is actually on an incredible sale. So I'm going to show you two things as to why I am talking about SHIB being on a discount and on a sale. Now, historically, I can actually give you a trend line here that shows SHIBA has a very big influence at the current price it is right now, right? So if you go back to, January 2022, this is where we saw SHIB having a little bit of a reaction right here and a push to the upside. So we have an influence right here. We had a break to the downside, and you can see you broke below it and you retested it right here. So that's another influence. So two touches, this one being the first one, that being the second one, and now the third touch was right here, and that's where you got rejected again. So three touch, this actually becomes a valid trend line. So this trend line right here is actually something that is true, and now you have broken above it, and it actually looks like you came down again, and this is you making some reversal candles for SHIB. So we might see SHIB from here starting to bounce off to the upside. Altcoin dominance is coming in very, very soon, and we might start to see alt season in Q3. So if you don't know what Q3 really is, it's known as the third quarter, and of course you have 12 months in a year. So the first 3 months are Q1, Q2, up to Q4. So July is the 7th month, and that's the start of the Q3. And then you have July, August, September, and then in October you start the Q4, and then we head into 2025. But second thing is that the daily RSI shows this is the best historical place to enter SHIB, right? So if you take the trend line and we take the lowest points here, SHIB is incredibly oversold right now. So again, historically the best place to buy. Came down, you moved up, came down, moved up, another down, another push up, another buying here, another push, another buy, another push, and that's where exactly you have come down already. So all in all, I think for me this really looks like still a good opportunity for people who might want to enter cheap. So you have a correction of 60% as well. So that's huge. I don't know who is grabbing. I don't have the money to grab anymore, but anyone who thinks they need an opportunity, maybe this is it, which is not really bad. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one, office.